A cancer diagnosis, it can be terrifying news, and trying to figure out a treatment plan, it can get quite confusing, especially when you don't know all of your options. Please welcome Dr. John Kressel, a radiation oncologist with Phoenix Cyberknife, with how they can help. Great to see you.
Thanks.
I want to start with what is Phoenix Cyberknife. How are you different and unique?
So Phoenix Cyberknife is a center of excellence that has all of the radiation therapy treatment options available that not all centers do. So it's the unique part is that we're a center of excellence that has all of the radiation therapy options in one place, so a patient doesn't have to go to multiple sites, and we don't have to compromise care. We can make the decision for the patient based on what's best for them.
Right, and treatment centers across the country are really tapping into the revolutionary Phoenix Cyberknife, as you will. How does that work?
Again, it's offering the whole spectrum. The Cyberknife is one of our treatment devices that is unique with regards to offering what's called radiosurgery, which is the most rapidly expanding form of radiation therapy in the U.S.
And it's the actual Cyberknife. Describe for us what it's doing and how it's working to cure cancer.
So Cyberknife's the only treatment device that actually moves the radiation beam with the patient if the patient moves or if the target moves, like a lung cancer. So that allows for greater precision, greater dose delivery, and sparing more normal surrounding tissue when we treat patients.
Right, and we're going to have a patient joining us a little bit later in the program who said he was up and about in a matter of just a few minutes each time he went for treatment. Are there side effects to Phoenix Cyberknife?
Sure, radiation therapy has side effects regardless of what form of radiation therapy you receive, and Cyberknife also. They're a little bit different in depending on the patient that's treated, but by and large, because we're sparing more normal, healthy tissue, the side effects tend to be less than other forms of radiation therapy.
And I'm sure when patients come to see you, they're scared. They don't know, they're looking for answers, they're looking for treatment, and also how to pay for the treatment. Does insurance work with Phoenix Cyberknife?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
I mean, it's a type of treatment that's covered by Medicare, Medicaid, and we accept all insurances. So it's a very common form of treatment, and like I said, it's the most rapidly expanding form of radiation therapy in the U.S.
Absolutely. What kind of treatment, what kind of cancers can you treat at Phoenix Cyberknife?
The short answer is all of them, but just kind of from head to toe, we treat brain, head and neck, lung, breast, prostate, colorectal, bone, spine, so almost all of them.
Everything.
Yep.
And you said when you come to Phoenix Cyberknife, everything, all modalities are there, right? So when you offer that under one roof, what is the advantage to the patient?
So again, every option's open to them, and that's really the biggest thing that we try to stress to patients is, you should know all of your options before you make a decision. And in many instances, they're not made aware of, Cyberknife treatments or radiosurgery treatments. So having that all available in, at our center and our group has been very valuable, because when we sit with them, whatever is best for them, we have right there, and we can talk to them about all of it. If you go to a center that doesn't have them all, you may not always be offered some of the options.
And your physicians and your radiation oncologists are different than others in the Valley. How so?
Well, the biggest difference is they've all been trained on Cyberknife, so they have that background with regards to radiosurgery and the expertise to that. Otherwise, they're board certified in all other forms of radiation therapy.
And when people come to see you, I know they have probably a notebook full of questions, and you encourage that, right? You encourage them to bring their questions.
I encourage every patient of mine to have a notebook, be your own advocate, get online, bring articles, get things off the internet. That's part of educating yourself so you can take care of yourself in the best way.
And you're going to meet a patient coming up, and if you have questions for Phoenix Cyberknife Radiation Oncology Center, you can email them at info@pcroc.com. They are located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard. That is in Phoenix. Give them a call today to book your appointment, 602-497-0605. You can also visit them online, phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.